How to change phone number on your Facebook account. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily change or add phone number on your Facebook account. First, you have to make sure that your Facebook is up to date, so just quickly head over to your Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. And once you do that, just come and launch your app, go to your menu, and tap on this gear icon at the top right to head over to your settings. And once you are on your settings, to view your personal details, you will have to open your account center. So just tap on account center. All of your connected account will be shown on your account center. Now to check your personal details, you will see under account settings, this personal details, tap on it. You will see all of your details like your date of birth, contact info, and account ownership and control. Now just tap on contact info. If you have already added a phone number and want to replace it, you can just add another contact and delete the previous phone number, so your phone number will be displayed right below your email. I have just added my email, so to add your phone number, what you can do is tap on add new contact, and it will ask you if it's an email address or a mobile number. Tap on mobile number, and you have to choose whether you want to add it to your Facebook or Instagram or both. And then what you can do is just simply enter your mobile number, or if you want to change your region, tap on change, and you can select a country code from here. Once you do that, just enter your mobile number and it will send you a WhatsApp or an SMS notification with an OTP. Then you will have to enter the OTP to verify your number. So once you do that and tap on next, after entering your OTP, your phone number will be added to your accounts and it will be displayed right here. And that's how you can easily add or change phone number on your Facebook. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.